Welcome back, folks.
Today, we've got something special for you. The ultimate solution for all your organizational needs. The Storesmith 4-tier rolling utility cart with handles.
This isn't just any utility cart, no. This is the best Storesmith available in the market, and we're about to dive into why. First off, let's talk about the design. With its sleek and modern appearance, this cart is engineered to impress.
The engineered hardwood top shelf not only provides a clean, finished look but also adds durability to the design. Whether it's in your office, dorm room, living room, or kitchen, this cart is designed to fit right in and elevate the aesthetic of any space. Now, let's delve into its functionality. With 4 spacious tiers, you'll never run out of storage space again. From books and office supplies to kitchen essentials and laundry items, this cart has got you covered.
Plus, its multifunctional design means it's not just limited to one room. It's perfect for the bedroom, nursery, garage, or even the classroom. But wait, there's more.
One of the standout features of this cart is its versatility.
Whether you're a college student looking to organize your dorm room or a busy parent trying to declutter the playroom, this cart is the perfect solution.
It's designed to make your life easier and more organized, no matter what your needs are.
And here's the cherry on top. This product is from a small business brand, so you can feel good about supporting local entrepreneurs. Plus, with its affordable price point, it's a no-brainer investment for anyone looking to simplify their life and beautify their space. So there you have it, folks. The Storesmith 4-tier rolling utility cart with handles.
With its unbeatable combination of style, functionality, and affordability, it's truly the best Storesmith available in the market. Don't just take my word for it, though. Try it out for yourself and experience the difference it can make in your home or office.
Thanks for watching, and until next time, this has been Product Critique.